Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Surrey, local and long-distance movers near me. If you are moving 100 miles or more, then that is considered a long-distance move. You could be moving within the state, between states, or even across the nation. This type of move requires the service of a long-distance mover, and this is one of the services we offer. A long-distance move requires time to plan and prepare for. Attempting to organize every aspect of your own might backfire, which is why you should hire an expert moving company to handle the process and move for your peace of mind. One of the most stressful aspects of relocating across the nation or even over the border is ensuring that your items are safe in transit. We guarantee fast, efficient, safe, and cost-friendly services. If your move is less than 100 miles, whether it's across town, within the state, or even across the state, it is considered a local move. Whether you're a student, homeowner, or business, we promise to meet all your moving needs. Save time on all your local moves by letting us do all your heavy lifting work for you. We provide a truck or trucks that will haul your belongings and furniture from your house. Let us be the ones to worry about navigating our way to your new location. We will also help you and maneuver your belongings to your new location in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Surrey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.